question is, what are the dangers of not sterilizing my tools? I mean, as with anything in horticulture, you want to make sure that you're not introducing bad bacteria or pathogens into your grow. And that can go for a lot of different things. That can go for scissors that you're cutting, your plants with. You could be spreading things like, mosaic hops virus. You could be spreading other things, such as, certain types of wilts, powdery mildew, anything like that. It's also true with your reservoirs. So everything that you do in growing, once you're done doing the main task of trimming or whatever it is, always sterilize all your tools, sterilize before you clone anything every time, and always sterilize your reservoirs in between each cycle.